Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you this beautiful 2-layer crochet flower in bigger size for crochet baby head. I have made this for head and I will make in white color for my baby poncho. So for this project I am using a 5mm steel crochet hook and a 3-ply baby soft yarn. So first of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would make chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4 and then chain 5. After making 5 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain. Now we would start our first round. So make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch here. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook. Go into this ring of chain and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Wrap the yarn again, go into this ring of chain and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 again and make a double crochet stitch into the chain ring. Make 3 chains again and a double crochet stitch into this ring. Now make 3 chains in the last and we would make a slip stitch into the third chain, and we have total of 5 double crochet stitches including first 3 chains in this ring. Now make chain 1 and make a single crochet stitch like this into this chain 3 where we have made slip stitch for the first petal. Make a half double crochet stitch by pulling the yarn through all 3 loops together like this. Then we would make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6 and then we would make a half double crochet stitch again. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the ring, draw a loop, pull the yarn through all 3 loops together to make a half double crochet stitch. Now we would make a single crochet in this double crochet stitch. Normally we make 5 double crochet stitches for this petal, but if you want to make your flower a little bit bigger, you can make 6 double crochet stitches like I have done as well. Now make a half double crochet stitch into the next chain 3 space for the second petal. Then make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, then make double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5 and then double crochet 6, and after that we would make a half double crochet stitch. And then we would make a single crochet in this next double crochet stitch. Make other 3 petals with this same process. So I have made other 3 petals. Now we would make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch of this round. Now for the second layer we have to work from the back side. So make a slip stitch on the back side of this chain 3 Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4 and then chain 5. After making 5 chains from this side, you can see like this. On this double crochet stitch, we would make a slip stitch. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4 and then chain 5. After making 5 chains, again make a slip stitch on to the side of next double crochet stitch. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5 and a slip stitch on the side of next double crochet stitch. Again 5 chains and then a slip stitch in next double crochet stitch. Last 5 chains and then we would make a slip stitch into the slip stitch of very first chain 3, and now we would work for the last round. Make chain 1 and a single crochet in this same slip stitch and start working in the first chain 5 space for the petal. Make a half double crochet stitch first, then we would start making double crochet stitches. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, double crochet 9 and then double crochet 10. After making 10 double crochet stitches, we would make a half double crochet stitch in the last. So make a half double crochet stitch and then make a slip stitch into this slip stitch space before next chain 5. Single crochet stitch. We would make a single crochet stitch here now. Now into the next chain 5 space, start making next petal, make half double crochet, then make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, double crochet 9, then last double crochet 10, and after that make a half double crochet and then we would make a single crochet in the slip stitch. So this is the way. Make other 3 petals like this. I have made all 3 petals. Now we would make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch of this round, and now pull this yarn 12 to 14 inches long, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the other yarn strand. This yarn would be used to attach this flower on poncho. This starting yarn end will be woven inside chain circle with the help of tapestry needle. So weave this yarn end with the help of needle inside these stitches. And after pulling the needle through some stitches and weaving this yarn end, we would cut the extra yarn strand. So now cut it with the help of cutter, and we would make inside circle part. So wrap the yarn around the finger like this to make a magic ring. Make a magic ring like this by pulling the first loop through other one. Make two chains, which will be counted as half double crochet stitch. Then make half double crochet second, including first two chains, half double crochet 3, half double crochet 4, half double crochet 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 11 and 12. Now pull the starting yarn to close this magic ring and make a slip stitch into the second chain. Now pull this yarn 7 to 8 inches long as well. Cut it with the help of cutter, and this yarn will be used to attach this half double crochet stitch circle on flower. And we would use same tapestry needle for this purpose, and in this way we would use these tails to attach this flower to our poncho. So I hope you guys like this tutorial video. Give it big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.